Good evening, folks. As always, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Goat Fusilli, incredibly easy to make. As you can see, there aren't that many ingredients. The star is a goat. Finely dice your vegetables. Roughly slice the garlic. The aim is to have the vegetables diced small enough that they'll fit inside the furrows in the spirelli or the fusilli. Notice that I'm putting the tomato and some of the shallot with the red capsicum. I'm going to add the vegetables in two different lots. With the lamb, I pull it coarsely off the bone and then I dice it up. You can just pull the lamb completely into small little tendrils, but I find it breaks down a bit too much. That's 200 grams of cooked fusilli. Wee bit of olive oil, really hot pan. Sort out the vegetables, add the lamb, and you can see how much steam is rising off that and how rapidly the stock boils. Have a look at how tender the lamb is. Just absolutely amazing. Melt in your mouth. Soft, beautiful. Turn the heat off, add the red vegetables and the shallot. Stir it round, put it in your bowl. It's that simple. Really, really easy to make. Tasty, 470 calories. Garnish with the green part of the shallot. Enjoy.